Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss Kitchen. If you love Nutella and you love cookie, today's your lucky day. I'm going to show you a very easy recipe, 3 ingredients Nutella cookies. So if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my future videos. And now if you're ready to learn how to make my 3 ingredients Nutella cookies, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, so to start, I'm going to preheat my oven 350 degrees F or 180 degrees C. And I'm going to get ready my sheet pan with the parchment paper on it. And for my Nutella cookie, I'm going to need 1 cup of Nutella, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 egg. To start, in the medium bowl, I'm going to put my 1 cup of Nutella along with my 1 egg. So I'm going to crack my 1 egg and add it to my Nutella. Just like that. And with my whisk, I'm going to mix my egg and Nutella until it's nice and smooth. Okay, we've been mixing our Nutella for about 30 seconds. Now it's nicely smooth. So now it's time to add our flour. We're going to add our flour slowly. So we're going to add in slowly, just like that, like half. We're going to mix it up until it's just combined. Okay, so I have here all my flour incorporated. So I'm not gonna over mix it. I'm gonna just use my hand and fold it in until it forms a bowl. Okay, so I have my bowl. So now it's time to scoop my cookie dough and bake it. So I'm going to bring in my sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and with my 1-inch ice cream scoop, I'm gonna start scooping my cookie dough. So just like that. One end, and then we're gonna go ahead and roll it. Make sure it's roll, nicely roll it like that. We're gonna sit it there. Okay, so I preheat my oven 350 degrees, and those guys are ready to be baked for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the top is completely dry. So let's go. 10 minutes later, our cookie is all ready. So we're gonna let it cool down and then we go for the tasting. Okay, our cookies is nice and cool. So now it's time to go for the tasting. Wow, this cookie tastes so amazing, so crispy on the edges and so soft in the inside. You can taste the perfect intense taste of Nutella, and I can guarantee you this is the perfect snack to make for your family and friends. So I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. So we have here in our video. If you like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're new on my channel. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace.